Hello student, today we are going to learn sky lamp. So we need a kite paper. How big you want, that much you have to take the kite paper. If you want big, you can join the kite paper and then start doing. I need 2 kite papers, one for the top portion and the body. So I have taken the full interior, this big it is. Okay, if you want big, you have to take 2, join it and then do it. But I'm going to show you very small one. So let's start. First, fold this into half. This is a kite paper. Okay, now one more time. Okay, now see, we need some strings. Okay, this one is which we use for the flower, and this one is for the tightening the things with many ways. So this is one the hard one, and this one is for the flower one. So whichever it is available. If you don't have this also, you can use this broomstick, very thin one. It is made of coconut leaf. This stick. Need this wax diya, glue. Chalo, let's start. See, after folding this, now what we are going to do? Open it, fold like this. Just put the glue first. Okay, we will first join this, and again we have to fold it to just get the proper dividation. Now get this on the paper, doesn't go up and down. This, what we are going to do, we are going to fold again, because when we stick it, it becomes small, the size becomes small of this length. Okay, after doing this, measure this. Okay, leave a little bit on half a, like one square. Okay, see, marking this much, see, leaving two fingers from here, and then make a square. And then cut it. See children, I had cut this. One more thing I want to explain you about this. What you have to do when you are using the string, first thing, see, make a small fold like this. Okay, see, even you are not putting this now, you can do this way. Stick here, and this will be ready for your lantern also. But we are going to do in a different way. See, after doing this, see, put your string here. Okay, like this. See, put the string here. I'm going to remove a little bit. See, this way, put it, and then fold it and stick it. So this way we are going to do, or I will show how to use this stick and do it. Okay, you understood till here? Okay, we are going to use the stick, so I'm not going to show the string. Chalo, let's start with sticking this one. When we fold it, we are going to put a glue here. Okay, then keep your this paper, see that on both the sides it is equal, see. Okay, and then press it, or you can just make a mark and then put it. Now just open it. See, this way it is. Now what we are going to do, we are going to mark this also. See, first we will stick on the opposite side. See, keep it like this. See, I had already marked the thing. When we are folding, we had made the mark there. So I'm just going to put on that mark. Okay, put the glue nicely, spread it, and then use it. Now put your this thing on the, after putting the glue, please see that this edge you are matching it. Okay, and then put your paper on the glue portion. Done. Now this two remaining portion left with the two sides. We have stick two sides, now two sides. Stick it. So now turn around. This one more side is left. Now this is, we are done with the all the sides. See, we are stick this. Okay, now this bag, this will look like a bag only. Now come down. Let's see how we are going to do this. First I'm going to remove this first. Okay, I had removed this. Now what we have to do, how big we want the stick. Okay, this is okay. Okay, with the help of the cutter or anything sharp, just put this, make the hole here. Same way we are going to put on this side also, this way. See, this way it's ready. Now what we are going to do, we are going to attach a stick like this, make a square first, and then we will attach to this. Or you can first attach the string also. Okay, this string also you can attach first to this, and then we can insert. Chalo, let's stick this one only, and then how to stick this I will show you. See, put first a glue on the corner side. Go first this way. I had just removed this much. See, this way. First, for tightening up this, I'm going to put on the line where we have folded. Okay, and then just turn around and stick this. Is done with the string. Now how to put the this one. Okay, I will show you. First, make it equally. Okay, first make it equally. Extra ones we will going to cut it. Just put this again back to this. See, I had fixed this. Now see, we are going to just make a, just put inside. See, this way, put inside, little bit of hole here. We will now this also. Okay, from the same one, see this one, I'm just going to cut the extra one. Put the glue here, put the glue on the paper, and just press it. Don't have the this type of wax diya, so what you can do, take a cloth, dip into the oil. When you have to blow this, that time you have to do, put the oil, put this piece of cloth into the oil, dip it into the oil, nicely soak it with this, and then just wrap on this stick. Okay, chalo, let's see how it's going to look. Now we are going to blow this. First fire it, let it burn, and then we will leave it.